The Aaron Krishna Podcast.
Okay, I just want to ask this question to all the parents, right? बच्चों को मैंने पूछा था कि पेरेंट्स घर पे होते हैं आपको कैसा लगता है, बट आई रियली वांट टू नो योर आंसर कि बच्चे घर पे होते पूरा दिन, हाउ इज योर रिएक्शन? वीकेंड में बच्चे होना एक बात होती है, लेकिन पूरा दिन हफ्ते में 7 दिन नाउ दे आर एट होम, दे आर नॉट गोइंग आउट, दे कांट गो आउट बिकॉज ऑफ द होल कोविड सिचुएशन. So how are you coping with this? How is like what kind of things you want to do in the house with them, or like what's your reaction? क्या परेशान हो रखे हो बच्चों से या खुश हो के बच्चे आसपास है? और काफी केसेस में जैसे मैं अपनी बात करूं तो आई नीड सम ब्रेक अवे फ्रॉम माय फैमिली राइट नाउ. आर्या ने मुंह Okay, we'll start with Krisha over here first. We'll go in like line wise. We'll start with Krisha's mom first.
I am Ritika. It's said, isn't it? Too much of something is bad. So I guess वो वाली feeling start हो रही है. On school college days आ गई है. But I mean, there's always good and bad to everything.
That's good. I was telling the kids like anything you say can and will be used against you because this will be recorded. Anything goes on the internet, it stays on the internet. So same goes for your parents as well. ऐसा ना कि बच्चे बड़े होके देखे कि मम्मी पापा ने हमारे लिए ये बात बोली थी.
True.
Okay, Sonia.
I would agree with what the other parent just said. Excess of everything is bad, but it's a mixed bag of feelings. अच्छा भी लगता है क्योंकि your kids are around you all the time. You can assist them with a lot of things, and apparently we've started doing a lot of things as a family together, which we never thought of doing it as together, especially with kids, So like going for a long walk, especially doing gardening, little things that we were very much ignorant about. But it's stressful for us because we are working from home and they have so many questions with their slides, with their homework, with so many other things. I mean, for them, it's only us. So हमको ही approach करते हैं and we are already in middle of something. So it's very difficult to, balance between work and then your like, I remember my father-in-law asked me one day, "Are you on your break?" And I said, "Do you really think I'll ever get breaks?" It's
Parents
like
break.
you are in study, you are doing your work, and you come outside and you are doing something else. So it's never a break for me. Yeah, and I'm really looking forward कब school खुले और कब थोड़ा सा,
relief मिले.
Really,
That's good. Vinay ji.
Look at screen.
विनय, रुद्रा की मम. मेरे लिए ये बहुत विन विन सिचुएशन रही. जैसे मेरा बेटा दिस ईयर टीनेज टर्न हुआ है, तो आई ऑलवेज वांट टू teach him housework or cooking or all the things, and I'm doing my diploma in community service, so I didn't get time and some of my certification, so every day I get my class. So that's Rudra's job, to make his breakfast, clean house, make all.
So it's win-win for you because I do all the work for you.
Yes. For me.
This is lose-lose for you.
Whatever.
Yeah, it is definitely lose-lose for kids. नहीं, I'm with kids right now. Okay, you definitely lose at kids के लिए, but you should.
For future, because I hope for after 18 or 20, might be after graduation, he will go away or live in a dormitory or somewhere. He can cook. We start learning baking, cooking. He's done with his breakfast things. So,
okay, so I would say your excuse for child labor is that it will help him in the future.
I got more than that, so I'm happy.
Okay, Apal ji.
Just getting 50%.
Apal.
For me, it was an amazing journey. Actually, I can't complain at all, or I can't actually ask for any better than this because, I mean, work keeps us all busy, right? I mean, I got work in a city, I had to travel to interstate as well. Now, this is the best time. Actually, I'm spending a time with my little one. And what it really means for me is I'm saving 3 hours in a commute each and every single day. That means I'm spending more time with him. Those 3 hours, I take him on a ride, I play cricket with him, I take him to the oval and to the different places that he always complained about, or not so he complained about, but we could only do it over the weekend. Now I'm actually doing every single day, so it is actually good for me and for him as well. And at the end of the day, see, we all work from home, right?
Yeah.
We do have a challenges at the same time, like internet goes down, some meeting is not getting connected, we all having ups and downs throughout the day, so many things. How we react, they are also looking at us and they are also reacting the same way. So so it's not only learning for him, it's also learning for myself as well, that how I can be in a control of my own game. And I want to actually teach him the same thing, looking at me, okay, if you come into this situation, then you can actually handle the situation this way, or maybe a little better, right? So it's a win-win situation for both of us.
I completely agree with you, Apple, on this one. You have to lead by example, especially when you're at office. You can behave in certain way that's acceptable at workplace, but those same scenario when it changes, like घर पे आप उस same तरीके से behave नहीं कर सकते जैसे आप office में behave करते हैं. You know, especially yelling at your boss or screaming at them or throwing something at them, etc., etc.
Sure. And also having them around me, looking at him doing the online learning, I actually learn a lot from their teachers as well. How they are so passionate. They have a lot of passion as well, right?
Yeah.
I mean, having one kid or two kids at home sometimes it's a hard work, but looking at them, they're doing amazing job keeping 24-25 kids entertained and engaged all the time. It's commanding.
I would go nuts. नहीं, मैं बोलता हूँ हमेशा कि teachers direct स्वर्ग में जाते हैं because they have already seen their part of the hell on earth right now. Their patience level is next level completely.
Absolutely.
Anya's mom.
Hi. For me, I think I'm enjoying this time a lot because I worked in Montessori. I work with children, so I love to be with them. And when it comes to your own child, I know you lose your patience when you sitting with them and teaching them something. But when it comes to online studies, I learned a lot from the teacher, how the techniques they follow to teach them. And yes, sometimes I feel like यार थोड़ी सी break चाहिए, थोड़ा सा it's too much now यार, इधर कहीं बैठा दो, TV पे लगा दो, but still, because I got 2.5 years old boy as well, so इनकी आपस की bonding and everything, उनको लेके जाना, so I'm looking forward कि चलो यार पार्क चलते हैं, walk पे चलते हैं, अब ये करते हैं.
It has its ups and downs, yes.
हाँ, of course, yeah. So I'm taking it as a positive move. So मुझे लगता है ये time दोबारा नहीं आएगा. अब slowly we're gonna get busy अपनी चीजों में. So yeah.
That's good. Rachna? I'm not sure why I'm asking Rachna. She's literally in the next room right now. Yeah. Rachna, too much of Arya nowadays or no?
No, never too much of Arya. I like it because I save lots of time traveling around. I need to pick her up, so I have to leave house 30 minutes before school ends and then wait there. So I save almost an hour every day. And then when she got her recess or something like that, we get to do lots of stuff together. So it's good. I used to miss that. Because when Arya was 5 years old, we used to spend lots of time. I never worked those days. Yeah. So I miss that time sometimes. I get to spend that time with Arya. So I'm enjoying it. I don't know about Arya, but I'm enjoying it. Keeping an eye on her is a good thing as well.
That's good. Dipti ji.
As Apal said, मैं भी working हूँ, and I used to drop her to before care, after care, and believe me, I was not happy about it. Never ever happy, especially before care. I used to drop her really early because you have to go to work, so catch a train and all. So I never liked that idea of leaving them in before care and after care. Especially after care, I missed a lot because when they come back from school, they have so much to talk, and I was never there. So this is something I'm loving it like anything. because अब तो ऐसा है कि even breaks में भी मुझे पता चल जाता है कि स्कूल में क्या हो रहा है, तो I'm totally loving it.
It's a good.
Secondly, the best part, which I think I would never get in life, is serving them warm lunches.
Oh, that's
Because
true.
Yeah.
winter, I was so every morning it was a struggle what to give them so that they can have it full. And with winters, no matter what flask you use, whatever you use, the warm lunch was never there.
Wow.
And now it is like I'm serving them bilkul garam pulka, sometimes rice and all. So I feel satisfied. It is such a big contentment, and I think I will never get this time. I had never got this time until now. So I think the serving warm lunches, saving on before care, after care, not just money, but the time to spend with them. And it is I think I also learned being resilient, how to be resilient from kids. Because I think हम लोग तो फिर भी मतलब मुझे लगता है हमें इतनी जरूरत नहीं होती फ्रेंड्स की, बट बच्चों ने फ्रेंड्स के बिना जो लॉकडाउन resilience रखा है, I think it's just commendable.
It's commendable, absolutely. It's absolutely in that one. And kids, गरम लंच का don't take these things for granted. Trust me, हम लोग स्कूल जाते थे, हमारे टाइम पे इतना अच्छा वाले हॉट केस भी नहीं होते थे कि लंच गरम रहे.
And no matter what, सच्ची में अगर आप हॉट केस में भी देते हो तो मेलबर्न winters are so cold.
It would not stay warm at all. Yeah.
Devanshi's mom.
I am not.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry, मेरा कैमरा बीच में था तो I was not able to see the screen. Sorry for that.
Yeah. Hey guys, my name is Ajay. So to be very frank, you should be asking this question to my wife, because I'm not the one who is taking care of her during the day, because like my meeting generally start at 9, and my brother is also living with us.
Okay.
So like every now and then I could hear these guys are like fighting with, like she's fighting with my brother's daughter, and everyone at in my office, like in our Zoom meeting, is also laughing behind the scenes. Like Raj is especially, trying hard to stay focused and stay on with us because of all the shouting happening in the behind the scenes. It's like this is I would say like the perks of working from home.
Yeah.
You can hear your kids like shouting, fighting, crying, doing everything, but study. And this is the best time for the kids, I would say, because you don't need to worry about the laying and all those things. You just need to worry about you can get up whatever time you want to, because no one is forcing you to be online at 9:30 or 9:45, right?
That's good.
And then no one is forcing you to be staying online for like whole 6 hours. You can do whatever you want to do at this time. So that's what I tell my wife as well. Don't force her to do anything, because she has whole life to do the working and take tension. Just let her enjoy. This time will never come back. 2020 is to enjoy for her.
True.
Don't want it to come back.
All right. Last we have Sheikha's mom.
I am Sonal, Saisha's mom. I am the only one, I think, who's going to work every day. So I get to go out and I don't have to deal with anything. But I've always loved spending time with Saisha, and I must commend all the kids have been brave, because it's very hard. We all think about ourselves and how we are coping, but how the kids are coping is the main thing, I suppose.
True.
Yeah, for me, it's more like she's doing her work. She'll text me what she wants, or message her back and stuff.
Yeah.
And I've connected more with her in terms of understanding what she needs, because she's home. I don't have to rush as well in the morning to wake her up and pack her lunchbox and everything. So I think we spend more time. When I come back from work, we go for walks, bike rides and stuff.
Okay.
Too much of screen time, I guess. The annoying thing.
That's what I think every parents would agree. Way too much of screen time.
Way too much of agree. Yeah.
And then teenagers have got social media, so that's another thing to worry about. And she's gotten onto Instagram after her 13th birthday,
Okay.
and it was too much initially.
Arya, I can see your reaction. You're not get.
She was like,
You're,
"Drag
you're
me."
not getting it until you're 15.
I can work with that. 2 more years. I can work with that.
Okay,
Yeah.
16.
I think Insta you can do it after 13, but it is,
Yeah.
I would not recommend. But I think she learned it very quickly that it's a distraction.
Yeah.
The best thing is that she's doing great at her school because she has enough time to probably Google everything, or give it a thought process and then answer her questions. So it's not like the teacher is standing in front of her and you have to submit it. So
Okay.
she's really doing well at school, which is what I'm very proud of her.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Now, okay, final question to all the parents. Okay, you can answer by showing your hand up. Okay, on this one. Do you want school kids to go back to school if you can from Monday onwards?
Yes.
Raise your hand. Okay, how about kids? Do you want to go to school from Monday if you want to?
Yes, 100%.
100%.
Yes, please.
I would say yes
बच्चे लोग
on
ज़्यादा
behalf
बोर
of
in
ours.
short. Okay, so survey का final conclusion ये मैं कह सकता हूँ कि parents से बच्चे लोग ज़्यादा बोर हो चुके हैं कि भाई okay बार-बार parents की शक्ल देखनी पड़ रही है.
I
No,
think
I think the more thing is,
I think
parents
it's
are telling them what to do.
Look at him.
Sorry, Apple.
I think the kids are more than anything missing their friends, playing with them in a school. Same like us, how we miss socializing at work, right?
Absolutely.
It's a pretty much same thing. I mean, that's the only thing they're missing. I mean, it's good in a way that doing an online learning, they can still see them, right? But playing them physically is a different story than talking and seeing, right? So I think that's the reason that most of the kids won't really go to the school. Then parents want them sent to school.
I completely agree. Now just
One
conclude.
point I would like to add
Yeah,
is,
sure.
I feel that one of the biggest positives that another positive that I would say, I have a younger one as well who's in grade 1, and for Krishna as well. Having studied in India, I had no idea how they did their studies here. It was always, we did pasting, we did coloring, we did this. I was like, did you actually study at all? After we get home, work at home, I can actually understand how they actually do studying while doing that coloring and pasting and making models and things like that. I never understood it earlier because you know how in India you get textbooks and notebooks and writing and this and that.
नहीं but कई बार लगता नहीं कि we were born into a wrong generation. We should have been born now. तो हमारे लिए काफी life easy हो जाती है. I mean.
I think सबसे बड़ी बात तो हमें गूगल मिलता. सोचो हम बिना गूगल के ही पास हो गए.
Exactly. And
आप लोग believe नहीं करोगे?
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No.
मैं ये कह रही थी आप लोग बिलीव नहीं करोगे मुझे अभी भी कई बार आपको ये सपना आता है मेरी मैथ्स की कॉपी गुम हो गई है.
Or probably missing out an exam.
Yeah.
नहीं मुझे सपना नहीं आता क्योंकि मुझे पता होता था कि मिसिंग ही है. That being said, like completely agree. Or I think at our time हम लोग like कितने we used to do like 8 subjects every single day. हमारे half an hour, 45 minutes या 1 hour के कहीं schools में होते थे depending on which board you were in. Were you in state board or ICSE या as CBSE में थे उसके हिसाब से. अगर उनके हिसाब से अगर compare करें आज के बच्चों की studies का हम लोग तो उनके लिए like literally ये तो हम लोग जो recess में करते थे वो लोग ये school में करते हैं.
Right. And when I tell them that we used to get just one break, that too for about 20 or 25 minutes, they're like, wow, you just break, you get 2 and you know.
Exactly. Or teacher used to enjoy so much. मतलब बिना वजह इधर आके सटाक. क्यों? ऐसे ही. I have to be very careful. I'm always like candid में जो मन में आता है normally बोल देता हूँ, but बच्चों के साथ इतना careful रहना पड़ता है ना कि नहीं वो podcast वाले अंकल ने बोला था ना मस्ती करो तो हम लोग कर रहे हैं. Okay, guys, it has been lovely talking to you. Seriously, मुझे बहुत मजा आया. Parents का perspective जान के, बच्चों का perspective जान के, बच्चों को मैंने वही बोला था आगे भी. Do not stop going after your things that you're passionate about. Okay, तो उसके लिए बिल्कुल पीछे होल्ड बैक मत करना, regardless to whatever you're saying, and take help of your parents wherever it's necessary. अगर आपको लगता है पेरेंट्स को फोर्स करना पड़ रहा है तो फोर्स करो पेरेंट्स को. Make sure they know that you are really passionate about something, and पेरेंट्स से अच्छा हेल्प या आपको कहीं नहीं मिल सकती. Parents are the best teacher in the world. पेरेंट्स से अच्छा आपको कहते हैं ना एक गुरु जो होता है या फिर एक मेंटर होता है वो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. Sometimes they will say things that would not make sense at all, but they are saying it because they have experience. Okay.
I think बच्चे घर में रहते, the more they want to go to school and see their friends, because घर पे हमारे साथ रह के every moment, every step पे वो ऐसे मत बोल, ऐसे मत कर, क्या कर रहे हो, ऐसे, तो they're like यार इतना pressure, इतनी चीजें, और स्कूल में teachers इतना lightly पढ़ाते हैं इनको, everything is like dependently.
No, something I've learned recently with regard to what you said. I'm like one of the most impatient guy, right? तो कुछ भी होता है मैं reaction फटाक से देता हूँ. And Arya's face should tell you this, and Vinay ji का चेहरा भी आपको बता पाएगा because they have seen it firsthand. But what I'm trying to learn is anything you see, wait at least 12 to 24 hours before you react to on your kids. So that way दो चीजें होगी, एक आपको भी पर्सपेक्टिव मिल जाएगा कि वो क्यों ऐसा कर रहे थे और what was their thinking process behind it. Okay, और बच्चों को भी अपने आपको एक्सप्लेन करने का टाइम मिल जाएगा. कई बार क्या होता है बिकॉज लैंग्वेज बैरियर आता है. यस, इंग्लिश हम लोग यहाँ पे सीखते हैं, हिंदी भी है, लेकिन काफी सारे बार ना बच्चे मिक्सअप हो जाते हैं कि हम लोग समझाए तो कैसे समझाए किसी को.
Okay. Yeah, just like adding on to the reaction part, that's what a mentor of mine once said, like when you are really angry on someone in office and you write an email like which is just furious and you are just sending your frustration out, then just read that email twice and then you will realize that you are just reacting to the situation and this is not the right way to do it. And just by reading that email twice, you will lower your tone and then you will like sound more professional instead of
नहीं, बहुत सही बात की आपने, बहुत सही बात की है. And with this, we are going to end this podcast here. Again, thank you so much. I cannot कहते हैं ना मैं शुक्रिया बोलूं तो कैसे, I'm overwhelmed with all the joy today that I got with the podcast. Okay, I especially want to thank the Bhajan group of Point Cook, जहाँ से mostly मुझे members आज मिले थे अपने podcast के. Vinay ji, thank you for that. Arya, thank you for coming. As you have choice, आपका choice नहीं था Arya, sorry. Thank you. But really guys, I had a blast. I loved it. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. And next कुछ भी हम लोग upload करते हैं या कुछ भी आने वाले time में हम लोग podcast continue करेंगे. We'll definitely get in touch with you guys as well.